Hey, John.
Hey, Kelly. How's it going?
Good. Hey, I'm having this issue with my RevMaster where the flywheel doesn't turn smoothly. So I'm hoping you can help me out with that.
Sure. Can you show me?
Yeah, let me put a device on and then I'll call you right back.
Okay, sounds good. Let me send you over the operator's manual so you can check that out as well.
Oh, perfect. All right. Talk to you soon.
Okay, cheers. Hey, Kelly, I just sent over the operator's manual. Did you get a chance to check it out yet?
Hey, John, I have it right here. Let me pull it up.
Great.
Oh, yeah, this is great. Let me check this out. This will come in really handy. I can refer to this as I go through and tune this thing up. All right, let me move my manual over. Let me start the video and I'll show you what's going on here.
Sounds good.
Okay. So you can see here, as I spin this thing, there's a little resistance on part of it, and then it's kind of freewheeling in other parts, so it's not consistent. So that's what I'm trying to address.
Yeah, that's actually pretty common, especially with bikes that people just start using. It's really about the leather brake strap needing some more oil. In fact, there's a job template for that, and I can go through it with you if you like.
Oh, that'd be great. Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Well, let me put on a device, and I will call you right back.
Sounds good. Talk to you soon.
Okay. Thanks.
It looks like John sent me a job here.
Hey, Kelly.
Hey, John.
Hey, I just sent you that job.
Yep.
And it looks like you need some 3-in-1 oil and a clean, dry rag. Do you have those?
I do. Yeah, let me get them.
Great.
Okay. So it's telling me to rotate the tension knob clockwise until the brake pad lightly contacts the flywheel. So let me do that. Oh, that's probably a little too much. That seems good right there. All right, so I'll go ahead and hit done. And now it's telling me to rotate the flywheel slowly and place several drops of oil on the outer rim of the flywheel. Hey John, do you know where I should be putting that oil?
Yeah, here's a picture that shows exactly where you can put the oil. Here's that pic I took.
Oh, got it. Thanks. Let me check that out.
And if you need more detail, there is a video associated with that step.
Oh, cool. I'll check that out too. Let me see this picture. Just pulling it up closer. Okay, great. And I can see the point in front of the guard there that you put the oil. All right. It says I should continue rotating slowly. Okay. Until it sounds improved. That sounds pretty good. And wipe off any excess with a clean, dry rag. Okay. I think I got it, John.
Fantastic.
Yeah, thanks for your help. That was
Yep.
pretty quick and easy.
Sure thing. Have fun.
All right, thanks. Cheers.
Bye-bye.